Hey everyone, in today's video, we will see how to create Google API key with very easy steps. This video is your guide to unlocking the power of Google APIs. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. For your Google API key, first of all open any web browser and search for Google API console, or simply go to the link we provide in video description. If you are already signed into your Google account, it will be redirect to the Google Console dashboard, otherwise you need to log into your account. Once you are in Google Console, you need to create a project for Google API key. Click on Select Project. Now project window pop-up open on screen. Click on New Project. Enter your project name and click the Create button. Once the project is created, system will take you to the project page. Then select APIs and services from the sidebar. Click on the Credentials option. Credentials window will open. Click on Create Credential. Select the OAuth Client ID option from drop-down. Click on Configure Consent screen. From here select the user type Consent screen and click on Create. Fill the required credential on Edit App Registration and enter your app name, enter user support email, and add your authorized domain. Click the Save and Continue button until the OAuth consent screen will appear, then click on Back to Dashboard. Give confirmation for Publish your app. Click on Create Credential and select the OAuth Client ID option from drop-down. Select your application type and enter your authorized redirect URI. Click on Create button. Now your client ID and secret key will be generated successfully. Copy IDs and use it in project social logins details. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you soon.